Court, the chairman of the CRL Rights Commission, Toku Mkwanazi Zaluva, has made it clear that from now on, every pastor and other religious leader in South Africa must be registered and accredited by the state. Take a look at what she said here.
All religious practitioners must be registered with the CRL Rights Commission through their accredited umbrella organization.
And there is no turning back.
No religious leader will be allowed to operate without the registration.
This comes after the establishment of a Section 22 committee under the CRL, a body tasked with exploring ways to regulate South Africa's religious sector, specifically the Christian Church. But what is the CRL? CRL stands for the Commission for the Promotion and Protection of the Rights of Cultural, Religious and Linguistic Communities. It is one of South Africa's Chapter 9 organs of the state, meaning it was created directly by the Constitution to help protect democracy, like the Public Protector, Human Rights Commission and Auditor General, for example. In the case of the CRL, it was established to protect freedom of religion. It is quite the oxymoron to have a state regulator in order to protect freedom of religion. The best way to actually protect freedom of religion is to just let religious organizations or communities be. This is quite the contrary to what the CRL is trying to do here with their latest committee.